See, I got something going on in there.
I can't even hold back.
Oh man, it started.
I don't think you expected
We
that.
definitely got issues, but
I don't think you expected that.
I did not expect it to start that fast. So we got some issues with the kick starter, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together so I can ride it. Because right now I got the side part off and I don't have the engine on there, the chain and the kick and all that. But that was awesome. I'm gonna try it again just because I don't know why it just kicked off automatically.
It's probably got to do a warm up. You know, you just rebuilt it.
All right. So. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, so we got some issues with the Kickstarter, and I think I know what the problem is with that. It's easy. There's like I think I have to spin it, the spring to get it going, but even right now, that ain't even a big deal. So I am just pumped right now. I'm gonna put it back up on my awesome stand here, and we're gonna put it back together all the way.
All right.
Awesome.
On that note.
Yeah, on that note. Holy crap, dude, it freaking worked.
That's loud.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You can't ride it yet. I gotta figure it out.
First ride.
That looks so fun.
All right, we got some stuff we have to work out. We still need bearings in the front. I gotta figure out the Kickstarter and why it won't stay running. I probably just have to adjust the carburetor a little bit, but I'm gonna call this a success already. So,
All right.
cool.
Peace out.